Hey everyone, Paul here from G-Shock. Today is new watch day and I'm pretty excited, as you can probably tell. I've just received this brand new G-Shock Frogman GWF-A1000 1 APR in the post all the way from Malaysia, and we're going to unbox it together, so let's go. This thing is brand spanking new, nicely wrapped. You really can't beat a brand new G. And of course, even the tag is in non-English. And I sound pretty ignorant here. Anybody know what language this is? Oh my, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It feels, looks premium. It's built like a tank. I bloody love it. I love the black and yellow combo as well, as you can probably tell by the arrangement on my wrist. Right, let's have a quick flick through the settings and check that everything's working. Even the buttons feel premium. I'm so in love right now. Right, let's try this bad boy on. Look at it, guys. Truly a thing of beauty. What do you think? If you guys have any questions that you want answered, please drop them in the comments below and I'll cover them in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more G-Shock unboxings, reviews and mods. This has been Paul from G-Shock. Until next time.